The Williams percentage range indicator is a momentum one that tells you when a stock might be overbought or oversold. Basically, when a move might be running out of steam. It's super simple to read once you know what you're looking at. To load it up on your chart, simply click the / key, type in Williams percent range, and click on it. Now a lower pane will pop up, and here's how you can read it. So the key thing is that the scale runs from 0 at the top down to negative 100 at the bottom. That's normal, so don't let it throw you off. There are two levels that really matter. Up near the top, around negative 20, is the overbought zone. When the line pushes up here, price may be stretched and due to cool off, but down near negative 80 is oversold. Price may be due to bounce. Now, it's important to watch the spot because the line dropped into oversold right before price turned back up. The default length is 14, which you'll see in the settings. And to go to settings, simply go down to the pane, hover over the name, head to settings, go to length, and just change it. Other than that, have a great day, guys.